3, 2, 1, drop it.
Guys, so welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I got a raccoon tail, and the drama, all that drama crap is over. Fuzzy still hates me. Okay, whatever. I actually don't really care that much. So Fuzzy, yeah, Fluffy, Fuzzy, whatever you want to freaking call it. Did I just say? Okay, I just called Fuzzy an it, but I don't care because Fuzzy isn't it to me. That was rude. Anyways, as you can see, I got a raccoon tail, and I'm so happy. But now I'm broke. I literally traded on my nerves. You know, in this video I'm going to be trying to get a purple raccoon tail, because purple is obviously my favorite color. And stuff like that. So, let me actually stop full screen. Yeah, sure. Okay, because full screen can be annoying sometimes. So can't really, because I can't see my recorder moment. So fancy shorts. And thank you to all those actually good buddies that I have. That I'll give an shout out to Galaxy 10101. She's been trying to help me get a raccoon tail for so long. And she was like, "You got your raccoon tail, or your RC. I'm happy for you." So yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you for being such a good friend, Galaxy, and stuff like that. And this person just wanted my raccoon tail, so yeah. And then my friend Monkey VIP. Shout out to her too. She's awesome also. She's rare now. Then shout out to one. I probably will Galactic RC. That's just an account. I don't know what that account is for though. Just for an account that. Why is she trying to be my buddy? Dude, well that's awkward. I don't get why she's trying to be my buddy, but whatever. Okay. Anywho, let's just not accept her friend request because I'm not talking to this boy right now. I don't like this. Okay, well, I can't get to fancy shorts since I'll have to go to Sir. No, not Sir. Okay. Why the heck not? So let's try and get a purple raccoon tail. Nobody's even here, so I'm triggered now. The fancy shorts. Okay, I can go to her den, at least. Who has pink and purple raccoon tail for trade? Who has purple RC for trade? Who has purple RC for trade? Let's see. Who has purple RC for trade? Oh, Sneaky Wolf Spirit has one. I'll try and trade for theirs. No, I don't want to be your buddy, because I don't want to. I'm not rude, okay? I just don't want to be buddies with people right now. I can't trust people in this world. What else do I add, though? I don't know. Yeah, I'll add my light up tail. Please accept. I'm gonna decline, to be honest. Let's just watch this. Watch that. It's gonna be different. Oh, cries. Oh well, I tried. Lol. No, thank you. I guess, 'cause I'll pause. 20! Oh, wait. Oh. Are they on? Hey guys, so I just got a purple raccoon tail, by the way. Okay. Shout out to this person. Hazard or welcome whatever. Stop breathing heavily. I'm trying to record. Okay.
Shush.
No, I will not shut. Okay. Well, anyways, so I got a purple raccoon tail, and now I'm so happy. And then now I gotta make a purple look, cause yeah, I have to. Inhale. I don't remember what my look used.
I'll send you a buddy request.
Oh, okay. I buddied you then. Okay.
I still can't get into your din.
Yeah, okay, well that's sad. What is my look you so
No, I can't. She's
I'm
always
trying to recreate my main look, but I don't with a purple raccoon tail. This is gonna be lit, man.
still play Jamal Derby.
Jamal Derby is hard though. I hate it. Makes me triggered a lot.
There are offended horses.
Horses are in the back. I'm sorry, okay? They're in the back though.
How many boopsie trees do you have, girl?
Wait, what? How many what do I have?
Boomsies. You have too many.
I do not have too many. You do not. Did you just say that? No, I have enough to last me 10 days.
Are on sale.
Wait, what are on sale?
The llamas.
Ooh, llamas. You need to get one.
Got one.
Okay, good. Oh, wait, you already had one before. I'm stupid. I'm sorry.
You have to have one.
Sigh!
One day I want to get
Add pink to my look.
a whole year membership. Because that's a lot of time with sapphires.
I just added pink to my look and now I look super cringy. I don't even like pink. Oh well. Don't matter anymore. Now I need to find a good neck right now. Because this neck really sucks.
Follow you.
You can only follow me if you have Arctic Wolf.
Broke, so. Okay.
Here's the look I'm going with, but I need to change my eyes, because my eyes were usually red and dark and spooky. There we go, that's better.
Legs aren't worth anything.
Wait, what's not worth anything?
I went to spend colors on train looking for quick wings. Colors on the train. Thinking train. Rocker tail. Mystico. Compage. Get back to the colors.
Were you at the Wolf Zone party? Dang it. It's full.
I left it. I'm not bitching now. Just no looking back anymore.
Okay, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, I guess. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.